Hi, my name is Aslam Moolla. I'm a specialist CCMA and labor attorney. I get quite a few queries from clients who focus on the disciplinary hearing stage of their case, even though they're getting ready for a arbitration at the CCMA. It's very important to point out that a CCMA hearing is actually an entirely new hearing of the matter. In other words, whatever happened at the disciplinary hearing stage, it's over and done with. It's two separate processes. What happens at the disciplinary hearing? Once you enter the CCMA stage, at the most it has is procedural unfairness value. However, in terms of substantive fairness, in terms of being able to show that you were dismissed for unfair reasons, the employer has to start from the beginning again. So it's an entirely new case for the employer. He's got to have his witnesses testify, you cross-examine, opening statements, closing statements. In summary, don't get caught up on what happened at the disciplinary hearing. It's two separate processes. If you have a CCMA coming up, focus on that. That's where you must put all your effort, all your energy so that you can win the case. If you need help in your particular situation or case that's coming up, please click on the link below and we'll be in touch with you soon.